will explain the projection pyramid. Okay, so here the object is actually a pentagonal pyramid, and the side is given. Side of the pentagon is 30 mm, and the height means the altitude is 60 mm. Rest with one of its base edges on HP. So this pyramid is resting on HP on its base edge, such that the face containing that edge is perpendicular to HP. That means the face containing that edge. See, the pyramid is resting on one base edge, so that base edge contain a face. That face is perpendicular to HP. That means 90 degree to HP. Then the base edge on which it rests is parallel to VP. The base edge on which it rests is actually parallel to VP and nearer to VP. Draw the top and front views of the pyramid. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so I will explain the problem. So this is HP, this plane is HP, and this plane is VP, and this is the XY line. Okay, so here I will place the pentagon in the horizontal plane. So here you can see this is the I just roughly draw the pyramid, you can see. Okay, so this is the pentagonal pyramid. So this pentagonal pyramid is resting on the on HP. So here you can see, so here I am tilting this object to right side, or you can tilt this object to left side. So here I am tilting this problem, I am tilting this object to right side. So when I am tilting this object to right side, you can see this highlighted edge, this dark edge. So I will dark here. So when I am tilt this object to right side, what happens? The pyramid is resting on this edge, and this edge consists of this face. So this is called a face. There is a triangle. This is the shape of this face is actually a triangle. So you can see this is the face. Okay, so this pyramid is resting on this. The pyramid is makes an angle of 90 degree with the HP. This face containing that edge. So when I am tilting this object to right side, this is the edge. The pyramid, this edge is on HP, and that edge consists of this face. This face makes an angle of 90 perpendicular to HP. That means 90 degree with HP. So first I will draw the top view. So top view is a pentagon. So I will draw the top view. Then I will project it. Then draw the front view. So if this is a pyramid, so the front view is a triangle. Then you have to tilt this object. You are actually tilt this object to right side, such that this inclination is 90 degree. What about this inclination? When I am tilting this object to right side, you can see this pyramid is resting on this edge, and the name of this edge is this is C, and this edge is D. Okay, when I am tilting this object to right side, you can see the pyramid is resting on the edge CD, and this CD consists of a face. So this line actually represents the triangular face. This line actually represents the triangular face. This line represents the triangular face. So the face containing that edge. So this is the resting edge, and this is the face containing that edge, and this is actually perpendicular to HP. That means this is 90 degree to HP. Then you have to project this. Okay, you have to project this. Okay, and project from this direction, and find all the intersecting points, then join all the outer points. So here you can see this is the top view. In the top view, the resting edge CD makes an angle of this is the resting edge. This CD, this is the resting edge. As I already explained, this CD is the resting edge, and this resting edge makes an angle of 90 degree. That means it is perpendicular to VP. 90 degree to VP. 90 degree to VP. This CD makes an angle of 90 degree to VP. But in our question, it is mentioned that the base edge on which it rests is parallel to VP and nearer to it. So you have to tilt this top view. You have to tilt this top view in this direction, such that this is the resting edge, and this resting edge is, now you can see this resting edge is parallel to VP, and this resting edge is parallel to VP. This resting edge is parallel to VP, and this is nearer to VP. Okay, so you can tilt this object. So here I am tilting this object in this direction. So here you can tilt this object in this direction. So at that time this edge is here and this corner is here. That means that edge is away from VP. So here the condition is the base edge on which it rests is parallel to VP. So this is the resting edge and this is parallel to VP and nearer to VP. So this edge is nearer to VP. Okay, then you have to project this. You have to project from this direction, dark all the outer edges, then complete the visible edges in dark line, invisible edges dotted line. Okay, you can see M1 dash D1 dash is actually a dotted line. Similarly M1 dash C1 dash dotted line. So here this is the viewing. From this point you have to view this object. You can see this is M1 and this is D1. So this M1 D1 is invisible. That's why this M1 dash D1 dash is represented in dotted line. Similarly M1 C1 is also in the back line. That means this M1 dash C1 dash represented in dotted line. This M1 dash A1 dash is actually dark line. That means this is in the front side. This is M1 and this is A1. That is in the front side. That's why it is marked in dark line. Okay, so this is a typical this is a good problem as far as projection of solid is concerned. That means here there is no inclination is given, but it's actually double inclination problem. Okay, so once again I will explain. Okay, so first you have to draw the top view of the pentagonal pyramid. Top view of the pentagonal pyramid is the pentagon. Then you have to draw the front view. Front view is a triangle. Then you have to tilt this object such that this inclination is 90 degree. What is the inclination? The pyramid is resting on the edge. This is the edge and this is the face. Okay, this is the face. Face containing the edge makes an angle of 90 degree perpendicular to edge. Project it. Then you have to tilt. You have to tilt this object such that this is the resting edge. The resting edge is CD. This CD is actually parallel to VP and nearer to it. Okay.